Hi everyone, this is Dr. G. Arun Kumar. Today I would like to give an important tool in AI, that is Brisk Teaching, which will be helpful for you people to make the PowerPoint presentations within no time. And even from PowerPoint presentations, you can also prepare what do you call your lesson plans, even the assessment of short questions, long questions, whatnot. I'll show you how you can use this app. So remember the name of the app. It is Brisk Teaching. Now, how you do this? Simply go to the Google, right? And just type Brisk Teaching. Brisk Teaching. It is a Chrome extension, right? So what you have to do? Go to Google and type Brisk Teaching in Google. It says Brisk Teaching free AI app for teachers. It is a Chrome extension. What you have to do is you just add this to your Chrome. It is absolutely free of cost. It does not charge anything like Gamma and other chat GPT AI tools, right? So you need to add this to your Chrome extension. See this blank. So I have already added to my Chrome extension. Okay. Now what you do is you check here, right? Here it's already there. So you just spin it. Okay. So go to your extensions. You see that now it is available, right? I will just go to my extensions. I'll just pin it. Now it will be active. Now what you have to do is simple. Okay, you are already added to the Chrome extension, right? Now come back again. All you have to do is simple. Come back again. You can go to YouTube channel. Okay, and this app is a very beautiful app, right? Which will create your PPT with the help of a YouTube video, right? So what to do is after adding this app, right? Go to a YouTube website. Just click on this video. For example, I'm okay. I have clicked this video. Once again, I go to YouTube. Okay, and you have to do is simple. Just biscuit. Okay, and automatically the PPT is being prepared. Okay, so the PPT will be prepared and it will be directly going into your Google Drive, right? Okay. So see the video is playing on the one hand and the other hand you see here the Brisk Teaching AI tool is automatically preparing. Okay, since this it's not having any captions. See the video is not having captions, so it is saying to try another video, right? Okay, then let us see rational minutes and the minutes same video. Okay, let us open this. Okay, so video is playing. Okay, so when the video is playing, what I want is I want a PPT. Now select this Brisk Teaching. Now I want to create what you want. See, so these are the options. See, from the video you can prepare PPT, right? You can prepare resource. You can prepare syllabus. You can do translation. Okay, you can even conduct quiz. It will prepare the quiz, right? It can create a lesson plan, and it will create a newsletter. Just you need is a video, a quality video from YouTube, and you can do all these things within a click of the mouse. Now I want presentation, so I click presentation. Now the standard of is university standard. Then right, so I've selected this. Simply now I will preparing a PPT from this video of rationalization. So just brisket. Okay, see, so automatically it will take some seconds, not even more than a minute. It will be coming with a beautiful PowerPoint presentation. See here. So the video is playing there in YouTube. See here, the video is playing, and at the same time, if you observe here, see, a PPT is being created from the video. So then again, see, you can simply download the PowerPoint. See, the PowerPoint presentation is being automatically prepared. So as for 12 slides, it will be creating 12 slides. Right? You see here, very simple. So automatically, With the help of a YouTube video, it has created a beautiful PowerPoint presentation, right? You see, so understanding. See, within no time, how it has prepared a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, see here. So within less than a minute, with help of a small video, this Brisk Teaching app has created a beautiful PowerPoint presentation. Not only this, from this PowerPoint presentation, you see here, again, if you observe the screen, from this PPT, again, I can do some more things like, you see, I can create what you call, I want to create a quiz. And this quiz can be created, either Word doc or Google Forms, right? So I want a quiz, okay, of 10 questions or 20 questions. I selected 20 questions. I want multiple choice, okay. And now he's asking I want Google Form or Word doc. So I selected Google Form since we are conducting online quizzes, right? So simple select new form or any Word doc, brisket. Here again, it will be creating a beautiful quiz with the help of Google Forms. So those people who don't know Google Forms can use this Biscuit teaching and create your own Google Forms on quizzes also, right? So it has created a quiz here. I'll show you. So again, that will be linked with my Drive, right? Okay, done. Continue. Okay, see here. Now it will open my Google Form. So already presentation is ready. From the presentation, what I have done, I have prepared a quiz in the Google Form. See, so a new quiz is being prepared. You see here, and you can change. See, rationalization, advantages and disadvantages. The Brisk Teaching app as it with own it has prepared a quiz. See here, right, and you can even get the answers also, right? So what it has done, see here, simply it has created a quiz for me. See here, all the questions and answers and multiple choice. Even you can get the answers also. Then you can edit this. See, okay. So is it very easy to prepare your quizzes, PowerPoint presentations, and lesson plans by using this app? I say definitely. Right. Again, with the PPT, what I can do, for example, I want to create some resource. It resource means a notes. Okay, now I can create select resource and again biscuit. It will be creating important notes for me, which will be helpful for the students, right? I can give them as handouts. See, okay. So what here it has done? It has created beautiful notes. See, okay. So what it has done? With the help of video, it has created a PowerPoint presentation, and with the PowerPoint presentation, we can create quiz. We can even like online or offline quiz. You can even create notes and you can even create lesson plans and whatnot. There are so many options. So remember the name of the AI tool, that is Brisk Teaching. So I will be coming with more number of videos in the next videos, right? See, so it has created notes. See, I'll show you 5-page notes for you, right? On advantages and disadvantages. And there is no issue with the what you call copyright also, right? Since it is AI tool. Okay, see the questions already there, right? Okay, so this is how you can use Brisk Teaching. Now, what is the app I said? I said Brisk Teaching. So this is a very beautiful app, which is a Chrome extension, right? And you can do wonders. So thank you so much for watching this video. It now what I want, content presentation. So you can create your questions. You can create